really happy to be supporting the Essex Rebels. They're a great team, they've got a great new kit, and basketball's a really inclusive and growing sport. I think the kit's really exciting because it tells Colchester's Celtic story, and that's not a story we often hear.
I definitely think it's a breath of fresh air. I've never seen a kit like this before. I really like it, I love how it fits, how it looks, and I think it's going to be a good sign of what we could provide this year.
The kit represents the rebel spirit itself, so the team's inspired by Boudica, and I thought it's significant to incorporate Colchester's cultural history, so taking motif imagery from the Celtic coins in the museum itself just encapsulates the team's spirit.
The rebel spirit is very important to Colchester and especially to the team because it tells us not to give up and keep fighting no matter what, no matter if you're down, if you're losing, if you're winning, to make sure you keep going.
So it feels incredible to know that so many people will be able to see this kit I've designed. It's my first proper design experience, so it's really exciting and hopefully it opens new doors for me.
It's very impressive that a student designed this kit, especially coming from a student myself. I don't know how she found the time to create something so exciting and creative, and how it brings in the history of Colchester. I think it's very impressive.